Using Zoom is another great feature that you can use in the classroom. Let me show you how to activate it. So you go to System Preferences, and we go to Accessibility. And under Accessibility, you can select Zoom. You can use keyboard shortcuts, or you can use a scroll gesture with a modifier key. So if I hit Command, and then all of a sudden I scroll up with my two fingers, there we go, we are zooming in, or then I can just hold down Command and then zoom right out. I like that. It makes it nice, quick, and easy to do. Using the keyboard shortcut, if you hit Option, Command, and 8, it automatically launches into Zoom. And then you can use the keyboard shortcuts with the plus and the minus in order to use Zoom.